Barcelona, a city known for creativity, design and innovation. The perfect stage for one of the most exciting collaborations in the world of large format printing. At Fespa, where global leaders in print come together, one solution stood out: a seamless integration between HP's latex technology and NEOLT's advanced finishing systems. Founded in Italy, NEOLT has built its reputation on precision engineering and innovation in finishing solutions. For decades, the company has specialized in laminators, cutters, and custom systems designed to enhance productivity and quality in print workflows.
The printers need automation. We saw the needs of the market, of the end user, to find a way to make all the printing process more automated, and that's why we start to work with HP.
As print technology evolves, so does the need for fully integrated workflows. The HP Latex R2000 represents cutting-edge hybrid printing, capable of handling both rigid and flexible media with exceptional quality. The challenge? To create a finishing solution that could match the speed, precision, and versatility of the printer itself.
This project was not just build a machine, but build a solution to fill this project an extension of HP printers.
Behind the scenes, months of collaboration unfolded. Teams from NEOLT and HP worked closely across countries, time zones, and disciplines. From initial concepts to prototyping, every detail was refined. Material handling, alignment precision, workflow efficiency, nothing was left to chance.
We developed something exactly from them to deliver machines that are able to complete all the process in an automatic way from A to Z.
The result is a fully integrated workflow where printing and finishing operate in harmony. Rigid boards, flexible substrates, processed with speed, accuracy, and consistency, reducing manual handling, increasing productivity, and delivering flawless results. At Fespa Barcelona, the collaboration came to life. Visitors witnessed a complete end-to-end solution, from print to finish, operating seamlessly in real time.
Today, we've proven to many customers who are visiting our booth today that the R2000 in combination with the NEOLT is a success. The responses are amazing. People were looking for solutions and we delivered it together with HP and NEOLT.
This partnership represents more than technology. It's a step forward for the entire print industry. A shared vision, a collaborative effort, and a solution designed for the future. From concept to creation, from collaboration to innovation. This is the story of NEOLT and HP, shaping the future of print together.